And then soloing at the legal. 4,005 way. Who would have ever thought that the Younkin family would develop an airplane just to do this, to roll on takeoff? Aircraft painted up in the family colors of black and red in the Art Deco scallop type of design, common to all of the Younkin airplanes. Twin engine, or whether they're working at a limitation of this Maestro very seldom pulls over 3 times the force of gravity. Aircraft powered by 2 Pratt & Whitney R985 engines, producing 450 horsepower each. And at the Airshow weight, this airplane comes in at a mass of 6,300 pounds of weight. Major. So look all too easy by the Maestro, who flew under cover of darkness last night in his nighttime act called Magic by Moonlight. Now, let's watch the Maestro and listen to the music. What do you think of the young Matt Younkin so far? He is not finished yet, so hang on. We'd like to thank Tulsa Aircraft Engines, True Track Flight Systems, Hardy Aviation Insurance, Wheelan Aviation Lighting, Lopresti Boom Beam Lighting, Parker Cleveland Wheels and Brakes, Pacific Coast Avionics, Stein Air Avionics, Lincoln Welders, Champion Aerospace, as Matt sets up for the rolling pass on your right. And we're so grateful with the noise and the building. sunglasses, Hooker Harnesses, PS Engineering, Bruce's Custom Covers, and Pacific Oil Coolers. Now, we talked to you about this young man who's coming in from your left on the photo pass, being the youngest recipient of the Bill Barber Award ever, but he was also another first. He was the first second-generation pilot to win the Bill Barber Award. You see, as he comes in for the photo pass on your left, with all eyes and all cameras taking a peek inside the cockpit, his father, the late Bobby Younkin, was also a recipient of the Bill Barber Award. We always like to say, now let's get Gibbs with Matt on the Airshow trail, and when Matt made his acceptance speech last year, as he popped his gear out while he was upside down, he gave a lot of credit. He said, I wouldn't be able to do this act and keep the airplane running without the great Jeff Gibbs. And I feel the same way. Jeff keeps our music straight, keeps my timing straight. Now, I talked to you about the size of this airplane. It's a big airplane. It's a heavy airplane. They call it Miss Ellie. Where do you get that name? Well, with the landing gear down and the flaps down in the dirty configuration, Matt Younkin, 32 years of age, is going to dance with this 70-year-old beauty. Recognize the music as they dance in the sky. Miss Ellie, the elephant waltz. Get a load of this. Bring some of the people that didn't show up today, come back and enjoy the activity tomorrow, but we are not finished yet. Our free fall out on the runway will take place as soon as Matt is back off the main runway and safely parked. We will launch Skip Stewart of Memphis, Tennessee, Gene Susri of Houston, Texas, and Chris Darnell and